Chicken Little, retold by Mason, Caitlin, and Jenny Lee. Once upon a time, there was a chick named Chicken Little who was skipping down the road. The acorn plopped on her head. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Her cries were heard by Henny Penny. What seems to be the matter? The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Call the police! Call the police! Call the police! Along came Ducky Lucky.
What seemed to be the matter?
The sky is falling! The sky is falling!
That's
Terrible.
terrible.
Squawk,
Swat, 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 swat.
Oh, next came Goosey Lucy and Gosling Gilbert. What has seemed to be the problem? The sky is falling! The sky is falling!
I need to get a drink.
That's terrible. Call the police! Call the police! Help! Help! Police! The sky is falling. Next came Turkey Flurky. What seems to be the matter? The sky is falling! The sky is falling! It hit Chicken Little on the head. That's terrible. That's terrible. Call the police! Call the police! Help! Police! Help! Foxy Loxy was getting dressed as a police, and it said on his truck, "Police." What's the matter, folks? Foxy, wait. Officer Loxy, at your service, folks. What seems to be the problem? Guys, what seems to be the problem? The sky is falling. The sky is falling. A piece of it hit Chicken Little on the head. Well, this seems to be an emergency. Get in the truck. Hurry, get in the truck. Get in the truck so none of you get hit. Hey, you look familiar. He looks like the wanted poster I saw in town. Hey, that's Foxy Loxy. Run for your lives!
I don't say my Hulk.
But Foxy Loxy shoved Chicken Little into the truck. And he threw an acorn up in the air and said, "Off to the kitchen!"
Yeah.
The acorn flew up into the air and hit on the propellers, who was directed by Sergeant Hefty Flippo. And the helicopter plunged to Earth. And everybody said,
What? The sky is falling. The sky is falling.
"Stop that thug!"
Yeah, under arrest.
You mean I'm under a big fat hippo? You're so big. Let me get out. Chicken Little removed the acorn from the propeller and planted it, and it grew into an oak tree. The end.